Hello, today in front of me I have Nubia Red Magic 7 smartphone, and in this video we will show how you can set the screen timeout to never on this device. Alrighty, so if you'll go to the settings and open up the display section of them, after which we want to expand the screen timeout available values, and we'll realize that the maximum time value that we can set by default is 10 minutes. Therefore, if you would like to be still able to set the sleep value to never, let's go ahead and use the free Google Play Store app that is called Caffeine, and it looks just like so. Now we want to download it. Next, let's go ahead and open the app. And in here, simply all that it's left to do is to make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set, and that will basically mean that as long as the Caffeine app is active and running, your screen will not turn off, will not go to sleep automatically, no matter for how much time you'll keep it in the idle status. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.